Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. If you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing an unboxing. I finally jumped on a bandwagon and joined Boxy Charm. I got the middle size box. It's around $20. Here it is. Came in the mail just the other day. Definitely took a minute to get to me. I broke through the tape because I didn't want to struggle opening it. So let's get into it. So I'm opening this Boxy Charm. This is what it's looking like in the inside. For every box, I don't know if it's for everyone. I'm new to this, okay? But I got to choose a free full-size item. I chose eye cream because we all know I love my eye creams. If you look back in my other videos, you will find a skincare nighttime routine, and I am all for eye creams day and night. So this one I chose to get is an Intense Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream, and it's by QMS, the company, Medi Cosmetics, and it's this. Most of these items are really small, eye creams are. I don't know why, but let's open it, take a look. There's a little tap up there. That's pretty cool. There's all the product. It's a decent amount. Again, these last a long time because a little goes a long way, so the size actually isn't that bad. So there's that. I didn't look into how much these products were. Normally, other videos I watch, they come with a little paper that has all the price points to these items. I did not receive that in this box. So, maybe in the future I will get one. Next thing up, the Professional Primer. Pretty cool. I have one actually already. I thought I did. At least I thought I did. No, that's Too Faced. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see this bad boy. This is actually a decent size. I feel like this is a full-size primer. That's pretty cool. I was not expecting this. I have not used this product yet, but I will be soon. So just take that top off. Pretty cool. It's oil-free, lightweight, translucent, silky, non-grass, whatever that means. Soothing praise. Oh, okay. Minimizes the look of pores. I have plenty of them, so hopefully this will do the trick. There's that. Let's see, what else did I get? I got these lashes. Never heard of this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks like it says Bantington Lashes, battingtonbeauty.com. So maybe I should check that website out and see what it's all about. So this is what the box looks like. There's a little flap. These are precious. They're decent size. They're really beautiful. And it comes with an eyelash glue, which is really nice. Even though I already have lash glue, like, it's pretty nice that it comes with that. Muta, he just jumped off his favorite spot now. I have to like save him all the time from getting up on top of the closet. Driving me nuts. So I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna see battingtonbeauty.com. Let's check this out. Oh, site can't be reached. Well then, maybe, let's see, maybe I spelled it wrong. Battingtonbeauty.com. Search engines are rolling. Search engines. I can't even talk right now. Sorry. I just finished doing yoga, so that explains why I'm wearing this tank top, and I have some workout pants on. So it was really soothing doing that today. So I reached the site. This is what it's looking like. It's pretty decent. My ring light was showing. It is nighttime. Mommy has to go to work soon. Ain't that right, Muta? Let's see, the shop. I'm looking for the lashes that I got. I'm not really seeing. Oh, there it is. Okay, so the price of this one set I got came out to be, Muta, I love you, but you're in the way. Okay, it's $31, so that's pretty decent to get in the box. Can you, oh my gosh, my brushes are in the way. Sorry. All my makeup stuff. Move out of the way. I did not prepare for this. Okay, so there it is right here in the corner. I just brought it up. $31. It is touchscreen, so there it is. Pretty cool. There it is. Never heard of this company, but it looks like it is on the 4th volume of lash size, so it's more dramatic and lengthy. So maybe it'll make my makeup look beautiful. Yeah, their lashes run pretty pricey. I'm seeing $28, $30, and they even come with like the eyelash curlers in some of them, which is pretty cool. Yeah, no idea about Baddington. Anyway, moving on. I got this Iconic London Illuminator. So it's basically this little bottle. It's almost like a liquid highlighter. So I would assume, so I just took the top off. You can see it's very shimmery. I don't know. Let's do a little swatch here. See what it looks like. Nothing squeezing out yet. So as you can see here, it's liquidy, obviously. It's liquid form highlighter. Ooh, it's really pretty. So like this would be perfect for summer to just like put on your collarbone and here. Ooh, to give you that nice glow. I'm just using the excess and just wiping it. It's really nice. So, I don't know if this does any justice, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's all over my finger now. That's what the consistency is. So like whenever you rub it all the way in, it's like this really pretty goldish bronze color. Really like it. All right, moving on. I got these Lavish eyeshadow brushes. Sorry, I blanked out for a second. All right, I'm gonna take these out. I think it's cute that they're all in different colors, and I definitely like the detail to the top. First feel to these. I'm not gonna say they're like super soft, just giving an honest review on this. Again, I've never heard of this beauty company. Maybe if I like break them in, they will become softer, but as of now, they're kind of stiff, like barely moves. But definitely like the detail of them, the style to them. Oh, this one's kind of soft. Lavish. I like the shiny end to that. Pretty cool. I'll just add them to my little cup with all my other precious babies. Okay, so that I'm gonna check out Lavish and see how much those are, because again, I did not get the paper that explains the price point. Lavish, I'm just gonna do lavish.com and see where it takes me. Nothing came up for lavish.com, and there's nothing else on this, so I tried. Moving on. This is the last item in my BoxyCharm box, and it is an Aristo. I don't know how to say that. It's an eyeshadow palette. Easy to blend with vitamin E. That's interesting. The ingredients are zinc, air, and water. What? Okay. Where's this distributed? Oh, Frankfurt, Germany. Okay, so it's made in Italy. This is made in Italy, guys. What? Let's see. Let's open this up. It's pretty cool. The packaging's pretty decent. Like, I like the style of that. It's interesting. It's like that Zodiac vibe to it, honestly. So I'm opening this up, and then this is going off. The shades are for my eye color. So again, with BoxyCharm, whenever you, before you get a BoxyCharm, you are asked a few questions about your eye color, your skin tone, your whatever, skin color. I mean, so I'm pretty sure they send palettes based on your eye color, which is really cool. These colors are really pretty. I'm really drawn to the like olive greenish color, and then these two colors down here, super cute, Mother House and stuff like that. It's pretty cute. So there you have it. I thought it was pretty neat that they like ask about your skin type, like if you're oily, neutral, stuff like that. I said I was like, I don't really need this. I don't want to put that back on there, but I would say I am neutral to like oily skin, so like I answered a few of those questions. Yeah, that's about it. My box is now empty. There's still no paper for price points yet. If you enjoyed watching this, please let me know down below and what products you liked or were shocked that were in the BoxyCharm, as I was, because I was not expecting the lashes to be that pricey. That was pretty cool. Again, I paid like $20 something for this, so like the price of one item was more than the entire box. Pretty nifty. I love makeup, and I'm looking forward to next month's BoxyCharm. I think I'm gonna keep this whatever it is. What's it called? Oh man, I'm gonna keep the subscription for a while. I think it's neat. I like the products I got in this first box. So be looking forward to seeing my next video, and I'm excited to see what will be in the next one. Thanks for unboxing with me. I will see you pretties later. Bye!